So we got our pods and I'm pretty excited to mow. So I'm gonna give it a shot. I know I've got a lot of land, but you know, it's just something about mowing on your property. It's like a zen-like feeling, you know? So let's go. So that took all about 15 minutes. Let's see what I got done. Okay, let's see how much more I have to do. Oh, honey, what's over there? Is that our land too? Yeah. Oh no. So clearly this is not gonna cut it. Let's go see what our options are. Bingo. All right. Just got it. Fortunately, it has a cover on it, so I don't have to worry about the rain because it's actually snowing. Well, flurry wise, but yeah, it's really cold here today. So, time to put it together.
Today we're going to be making our very own tractor
So we finally got it and got it put together. Here it is.
I helped my dad all the way through.
Yep, yes you did. So yeah, it flurried a little bit here today, but yeah, we're really excited to see what this thing can do. I did put the blades down and did a little bit in the back, but after maybe when I mow, I'll put out like my thoughts and initial impressions of the Ryobi electric riding lawnmower.
I can't wait to ride it again.